Hello guys, this is Stylesbyfola Salon, your one-stop salon for all your hairstyles. So today we're having a sew-in weave. So we've left hair out round the head, like at the back and the side and front. She's having a side parting, and right now we're using our Brazilian hair extension from current wigs, and we're sewing in the hair bundles, the hair extensions at the first on the first braids at the back. So I'm trying to kind of fit it underneath the braid so that when she packs it up it doesn't show and it looks a bit flatter, it looks more flatter. So yes, I am sewing in the wig, the bundles now, and this hair we're using from our current wigs is nice thick hair. If you like thick hair, if you like hair that old curls when you coil it, our Brazilian hair from current wigs is the perfect fit for you, or the perfect one for you. The whole curls longer, when the curls falls it still look nice and natural. So I am coiling the hair right now, so you can book your appointment for this lovely hairstyle, or you can buy our hair online at currentwigs.com. I can book for an appointment at Stylesbyfola.